Welcome to Unity 3D tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about Unity animation systems. In our previous video, we have learned how to import and download a character animation from Mixamo. And in this video, we will learn about animators. So first, we just placed our character in our scene view. Reset its transformations. Then place at -8. Rotate 180 degree. Okay, this is our character. To use animation in our character, we first need to add a component called animator. Just search for animator and click animator. This is the animator. In animator, there is a first option of a controller. Controller to control animation of a character, we must need a controller. To create it, just right click and click create. And here you will find animator controller. Animator controller. Just click animator controller and name it. So just learn. Just double tap on our animator to open it. This is our character is open. Here you will find two windows. First for base layers and second for our animations. We have now created controller. Just drag and drop it to our controller, or you can select it from circle. Here you will find done our controller. This is our controller. If we hit play, we will find animations are also not playing because there is no animation in our controller. Just if we open the controller, this is our controller. So animator controller are open. Animator is open. To attach animations to our player, we just need to expand. Here they are. This is our animation, breathing animations. Just open and drag and drop, and you will find now animations is playing. Okay. So if we hit click, this is our animation is playing. But we will find that the animation is stopped because the loop time is not checked, because the animation is played once. If we check this loop time, then animation will be continuously playing. To change these settings, we just take out this animation by pressing Ctrl and D. We do this because we just need to change these settings or something like that, so that the base animation is not changed. Hit Ctrl D and we will extract out our all animations. The standard walk and the last one jumping. These are our animations. Okay. Now in animator, we're just going to delete it and breathing, just attach it. And we will find that our animation is playing. As soon as the animation complete, it's not looping. Just open this animation and check loop time. Okay, after checking loop time, the animation is also not playing because this is our previous settings. So just delete it and attach the new one, change the setting. Okay. So now you will find animation is now looping, continuously playing. Okay. So the loop time means, so in animation the loop time means the animation will be continuously playing. You can also change this animation like Mixamo jump. We have add this Mixamo jump animation, and if we right click on it and set as default layer, so the character will be jumping, and you can change this by okay. As we have this is our default layer. Default layer means as soon as we start the game, the animation will be played. Or we can use like our running animations. Drop it here and click and set as a default layer. Animation will stop because loop time is paused. Loop time, just check the loop time, delete it, and again drop it and set as default layer. Okay, so now animation is continuously playing. This is our animator. Now In animator there are some main options. First, controller, we have seen a controller. Second option is avatar. We will discuss it about in our next video. Now third option is apply root motion. Root motion means if we on it, then its motion will be controlled by animations. In our example, when we imported a character from the example, we will see we have checked in place options. If we unchecked it, then it also contain animations, motions for the animations. And the third option is update mode. There are three options: normal, animated physics, and unscaled time. Normal means the animation is being controlled according to time scale. This is a time scale, any time scale. This is our animation is playing, and we have selected normal mode. Normal means the animation or the system animation is controlled by time scale. If we change this value, minus 0.1, the animation becomes slow according to 0.1. If we hit 0.5, then it's slow, or if at 2, the animation will be fast. Okay, so this will be controlled by time scale. Second one is animated physics. Animated physics means now animation is being controlled by fixed update. It will be updated according to fixed update. And third one is unscaled time. Unscaled time means the animation is not depend on time scale. We can change these value. There is no effect of time scale. The last one is culling mode. Culling mode means how a character is imported, how a scene is rendered. Culling mode means only that scene which is visible in camera will be rendered. Always animated. There are also three options. Always animated means this scene will be always animated if camera is present or not. This running animation is playing if camera is not present or present. And second option is cull update mode. Means this will culling mode means rendered only place where camera is present. So rendering is not present and means it does not render our character, but motions are always running. Like their running animation will be always right. And third one is cull completely. This means if camera is not present here, the animation will be stopped. If we change our camera position, now our character is not present at camera, so running animation is stopped. And if we comes to the camera, the animation will start playing. Okay, so these are their options. Cull completely. In this tutorial, just enough. In our next tutorial, we will learn how to control our animations by script. Thank you.